Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me today. I have a quick video to show you. This is for Kokorosa Studios. I've used some of their dies and I've made some quick projects that I'm going to share with you. So first I'll share the projects that I've made, and then I'll share at the end some of the other items that I received that I didn't use in this video, but I also wanted to show you. So the first thing I really wanted to try is this die with the lattice and the two flowers. I really wanted to see how this design was going to turn out, and I'm really quite happy with how it did. What I did is I did combine a few pieces, a few dies with some of the projects that I'm going to be showing you. But again, it was just something that I wanted to try, and then I just wanted to see how they turned out. So for example, the lattice here, I just used the lattice part of the die, not the flowers in this project, and I really liked how it came out. I added the butterfly and the little bling, and it just made for a quick and nice little greeting card. So I thought that is just a really nice and versatile die that we can use for just about anything, right? The next project I'm going to show you, I believe I used the flowers and then an additional die that I also selected. So for this one, I used the flowers that I showed you originally here. And what I did is I layered them. So I added the small and the larger die to the flowers there. And then I took my Copic markers and I just colored them in a little bit just to give them a little bit of dimension. So you can see the layering. I wanted it to be as flat as possible as well, because I'm always thinking about, sending things in the mail. And then I got this other die set that I used sort of as a background there. And this is the metal die that has that design on it, as I'm showing you here. And again, this is something you can just use for just about any project. I really like how it came out. It does look like, kind of like a nice little lattice background as well. I did this one in white, and I think I also cut it out in black just to see how it would turn out in the different colors, and I'm really happy with it. So that was the next die that I had decided I really wanted to try out. This next one I've been really thinking about for a while, because it would make for a really great a birthday card. And so what I did for this one, because it leaves a negative that looks really good, I decided to use the negative of the die to make the card. And of course, I saved the letters that pop right out for a future project. So it's almost like a 2-for-1 die on this one, that you can use the negative as well as the the letters that pop out. Now I did have to go and add, like, to the A, I added a little bit, to the R, to the B, and to the small b and the big B. I did add those little pieces to it to finish off the words. But I mean, that was easy enough once I had, the pieces ready to go. And of course, this is so easy to use that, if you need a quick card, these would be fantastic to have in your collection. The next one I wanted to try out is this smaller die, and the center of it looks like it's all ready, for you to add your sentiment if you wanted to. But I decided to change it up a little bit. And so what I did is I added something on top of it, like this little tag. I added a couple of little jewels, and I thought it just turned out really good, almost like as a background die as well. Now, another thing I liked about this one is it also has the negative. So this negative now to me looks like a frame that I could use in a future project. And again, another 2-for-1 sort of metal die that you can use again and again. And if you wanted something that could make you a perfect frame, this actually is a nice one as well. So I'm quite happy with it. So the other one I'm going to show you, I almost forgot to film it, and I'm glad I remembered I had made it. So this one is one that has 3 words in it, and it has the words hello, salut, and hola. And I used the hello for the project. Now you can see the script and how nicely that comes out. So all 3 words are the same way, and they all die cut out the words all, like, you know, they're all attached. So the hello was attached, the salut was attached, and the hola was attached. I made a quick little like ephemera holder here that I could send in the mail. The only thing that was not attached with each word is a little dot at the bottom of the exclamation mark. And that's the only thing that you kind of have to add in at the end. But I think it's such a great die, especially that it has the 3 different languages for the hello. And the script was really nice. The ones I'm going to show you now are ones that I did not use. This stamp set is a freebie, so I think after you spend a certain amount on in their shop, you get a freebie from them. So this is what they sent. I am definitely going to use those frames and the little hearts, and of course Valentine's Day, that would be perfect to have on hand. Another 2 pieces that I did get, or 3. This is another word, and this is the word hi. And I did want to see how this one die cut out, because it has these little flowers designed into it. And I'm just going to show you here. This is part of the H. And you can see that it's got all the little dots that are supposed to pop right out. I didn't pop them all out because I wasn't using this die at the moment. But it die cuts out really nice as well. And it's something you can use over and over again, right, in many projects. And then the other 2 that I ended up getting were these the alphabet letters. Now they are all lowercase letters, but I got a small size and I got the large size. So now I'm set for future projects. Anything that needs a word, I can die cut it out myself. And of course, like I said, these are all in the lowercase, and I'm sure I can match them up with some uppercase ones as well. So that's it, my friends. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will have links below. Don't forget to use that discount code, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Thanks so much for stopping by.